Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to send an ACH payment with Bank of America in 2025. If you're new here, ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it's a secure way to electronically transfer money between banks for things like bill payments or sending funds to friends. It's faster, safer, and more convenient than traditional checks. Whether you're a Bank of America customer or just curious, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Bank of America online banking account ready. If you don't, head to their website or app and sign up. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. This is usually found on the main dashboard. Look for icons like a money arrow or something similar. In 2025, Bank of America has made this even easier with updated interfaces, so you might see a dedicated ACH option right away. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select ACH Transfer or External Transfer from the menu. You'll be prompted to add a recipient if it's your first time. Enter their bank details, like the routing number and account number. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. Step 2. Choose the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed, like rent payment, for clarity. Step 3. Review everything carefully. Bank of America will show you a summary, including any potential fees. Keep in mind that ACH transfers are often free or low cost, but it depends on your account type. Before you hit confirm, set up any security measures. In 2025, you might need to use biometric verification, like a fingerprint or facial scan, for added protection. Once confirmed, your payment will be processed, usually within 1 to 3 business days. Pro tip: avoid sending on weekends or holidays to speed things up. If you run into issues, like an error message, check your account balance first or contact Bank of America's support. They're available 24/7 through their app. And remember, always keep your personal info secure to prevent fraud. There you have it, folks. Sending an ACH payment with Bank of America is simple and efficient. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.